Uno for dead dog, like, uno not for go to prison, my youth. A man for lay down the chair on upon the belly and bust in the head, go down the line. Pam, pam.
The way I try and stay positive, and I trees and we are living. Some fools will negative.
Big up to my loyal subscriber them and big up to all the viewers them. Alright, so you know what time it is right now, so I gotta analyze the video. I gotta analyze them idiot youth of badness, but I know the video, some people see it already, some people not see it. But I think majority of the people them see it by now. But anyway, I want to pay close attention to the screen, because I'm going to point out some things and things where I don't know if you need that pre. So pay attention, you know, people. Pay attention to the counter. You see me? You're going to see the box food. Sit down there so till it's spoiled. So, not just that, you know, pay attention to the time and the date. You hear me say? The time and the date. So, you go run the video and come back and analyze it.
No. No. You do shit. No. Everything else. Right. Also, no problem.
So what you are going on, people? You see why I call them idiot? Yeah man, them boy are three stooges. Yeah man, three stooges I go call them. So if you not pre no people, first thing me realize, you know, my boy there in the hoodie, you know. He make sure say he gonna make mommy feel comfortable. Nah, you know, raise a suspicion. So he make sure him order small food, you know, something small, you know. Don't know the thing go. While him two brethren them wanna look out and wanna sit down. You see, as him pull out the spinners, the bulldog, you see me, because many things are 38. As him pull it out, my boy, the one I'm part him walk outside on the front line to go all off the front, you know. In case anybody a pass, and mommy scream too hard, him just draw them into the shop. You see, so, who know about spinners and know about gun thing, you know say a 6 a spinners carry, so In a 2022, I know a man now to walk with a half load. So, I assume say my boy there have a full load in him spinners, you see. Well, anyway, mommy pull the door and them go in. People, pray this. When I pray the time of the day, and not even lunchtime good it. I know say food just done cook, so no money no make it. So that just a show me say, yo, the time of the day them youth go up and robbery. If you go rob a cook shop, a show to me say, yo, them is a big novice to the thing. Big novice. Them not ready. Although you see them in there, I put people on them belly like a bank robbery. Cause I'm telling you people, go back to my initial video them, you know. It's not dancehall music influence the youth them and teach them thing, you know, or the movie them, you know. So the bank robber movie them watching. You know. Remember the movie Set It Off with Queen Latifah and them, yeah. And them idiot movie there teach them youth and them idiot style. Yeah. So them try to apply it, but them not the brains to know say alright. If I go up on a robbery, if you want to make sure you eat a food or forgot at a certain time, them youth are going at 11:55 like. Brother, no sense dog. You know dunce. The Three Stooges them not even make them say, yo, you know what? I could take a page out of the police and the soldier them. You remember the robbery out of me pen man? And them rob Mr. Chin and Miss Chin? Yeah, bad boy style. Not even say make them do that. Take a page out of them book. You see the time when them go mash the works there? Month end. Pan when a Sunday. When the place calm and dead. You know say no money now move, no bank no open. People, I don't want to not judge me and feel like some of there so I pick up for them waste money, you know. I give them advice when they go rob again, you know. No, I should not even know I'm angry right now. I'm fully angry. You know I'm really angry? Watch a big batty boy I put him foot palm mommy. Yo, who give birth to the nigga there, dog? Who give birth to the boy there? Come like it's a man push him out and batty. Come like a big batty boy. Brother, you love man? Yeah, you as a woman give birth to you, no man, you're not supposed to deal with woman them way the dog. The man supposed to make sure say, alright mommy, we come out of our way for come frig up your day. You gotta deal with it with little respect and thing. Remember say mommy share out your food in a waste man. John Star. And the next thing too, the brother go about her business and tall man go pull her in there and then the next tall youth go slap her down on the ground like. Brother, I fuck batty dog. That shit piss me off, my youth. It piss me off, brother. Uno for dead dog, like, uno for go to prison, my youth. A man for lay down the chair on the belly and bust in the head, go down the line. Pam, pam, pam. Yeah, man. I saw uno for dead, man. John Mustard. Piss me off, dog. That shit make me angry, dog. If you no look, you know, people. The man, them are pulling people. Like, I don't know. Them just are pulling big people and tell them to lay down. And you know another thing too, I see people might have to say, yo, yeah man, good thing they never kill nobody. Yo, them would have killed mommy if mommy never opened the door. Them would have killed anybody there so if them they put up a certain resistance. You see me? Them boy for go away. That me I tell them for go away. Yo, it just really puzzling to me. Man can't so fool, brother. When you can't so fool. I must a series of robbery them go up and they must rob somewhere at 7 o'clock in the morning. Then them stop at the cook shop and rob this so. And then them go rob somewhere else by evening and come off of the road. Cause I can't just the spot there the only spot in the rob. The Three Stooges them can't so fool. Man can't so fool. And you know what I love to know after I pull off the stunt there. How much money you come out with? How much money you make? Cause this a show to me say yo. People, I don't think them youth are broke and hungry. Because you say them they broke and hungry. I know my boy, the short man would have left the small food on the counter and would have cut to it. Them youth are do some dumb shit. Yo, them youth are fool, brother. Them parents should have just swallow them, man. Them mother should have just swallow you. Your father should have just dash for the condom. Because you have just some big waste of sperm. The man them go rob a cook shop. Think about it, people. A cook shop before 12 o'clock. The better than they go rob a wholesale or a hairdresser. Or if one bar, because you don't know bar drinking start from, you know, in the morning this so. Yo, them youth and them look like a set of youth, them will robbing at them ear too. Because them look like them a freestyle a big road. Them just look like them robbing at them ear. You see me? And the money them with them rob from the cook shop. Me know for a fact that can't buy a box of shot. For load up back them things. So, them youth have some big waste of sperm, brother. I swear to God. And you go look upon people that talk about them for walk with money next time. Yo, yo, them youth I swear. And where them get them youth from dog? Them boy for yo police will just catching them man and just deal with them in the car. When you look like some youth robbing down the era, so they can end up hype on the corner say, yeah man, we go rob Miss Jaya cook shop. You see me? Yeah man, we look like them style of youth that too man, you see it? But me I tell you say yo, when you just piss me off here man. Well yo, check out my next video here man. A Positive Street, A76. You know the thing go.
Yeah. Though we are trying to stay positive, and I don't feel how we are living. Some fools well negative, hear them come with them politics. We don't want to hear from them, no we not beg none of them. Cause we not look a friend, and we not look a man. I don't know what one pretend, just grab her up and hand. I don't know what one pretend, just grab her up and hand. No we are trying to stay positive, and I don't feel how we are living. Some fools well negative, hear them come with them politics.